Back to the big dome, and right now Rain or Shine is ahead, 49-47 over Ginebra. Of course, big story here. If you're just joining us, Mark Caguioa, red hot. Medyo red hot, medyo bad boy in the first half. 24 points in the first half, and a big reason why Ginebra is actually back in this game because, Jason, if you go back to the opening quarter, just a blistering start by Rain or Shine to start this game.
But, you know, it was a flat Barangay Ginebra taken advantage of by Rain or Shine. When you look at the highlights right here, makikita natin kung ano nangyari dyan, Miko. First quarter, it was all Rain or Shine for the first 4 minutes. Everything going right for them, playing good defense, pushing the ball. It was a 15-2 run para dito sa Rain or Shine, Miko. And Lee was able to get his points. Belga was able to get his points as well. Yung sabi mo nga, lahat kumakagat doon sa tira niya. And and even helping out because he was part of that starting unit. But that all changed nung pumasok na ito si Mark Caguioa. When Mark Caguioa came in, you know, the scoring really picked up para dito sa Barangay Ginebra.
You know, he already had 11 points, shot so well in that opening quarter, and that was, you know, a foreboding of things to come here for Rain or Shine's defense. And LA and Mark playing beautiful music together. Although Rain or Shine lamang 26-21 end of the first.
And then after in the second quarter, Mika, again, it was more Mark Caguioa. Mark Caguioa started off where he left off in the first quarter going to the second quarter. 13 more points there, which gave the 24. But, you know, you look at the score, Rain or Shine still on top in this game because of the three-point shooting of the entire team. Mark Caguioa, you look at that, lots of check marks. Usually maganda yan eh. Kahit na right minus wrong, basta mas maraming check mark, mas maganda yan. Only 5 misses so far para kay Caguioa, 11 out of 16. Remember, in his last game, he was 0 out of 11.
I think we'll also take a look at the three-point shooting of Rain or Shine, which is very integral in their attack.
That three-point shooting really helped out itong Rain or Shine. That's why they were able to maintain the lead. Nung humahabol na itong Barangay Ginebra, and they were still able to get that three-point shooting, Miko. At Miko,
hindi, alam mo, hindi ko kaloka like to ha. Hindi ba? Yaya, ito nakita na nanonood ng game.
Nagsa-scout.
Kasi
Eman.
Pinanood si Eman kanina.
Alam ko si Eman.
Disappointed nga. Talo yung ano eh.
Ito yung mga
talo. My crew.
Your
Here's how we roll.
I can see
My
that.
My pose.
You are the father of this minion.
Because they're all my children.
I can see that actually this minion was brought by one of the fans.
Oo, dinala dito.
At tapos punta dito at sinabi, Miko, ikaw ang tatay ng bata na to.
Come to daddy. Okay, we're just about ready to start. Nagulat ako, nandito eh. At saka may ticket ha. May ticket yan. Ano akala mo, pumasok na libre yan? Ticket yan ha. Yan ako yung mga minion. Sigal.
Ano aminin mo? Sa'yo ba yun?
May ticket pero half price.
Pero sa'yo ba yun?
Hindi ah.
Sabi, kasi ikaw ang daddy minion. Ikaw ang tatay ng lahat ng minion.
Oo, totoo. Oh. Pero yun, hindi ko, distant. Distant relative.
Baka sa lolo mo na nagsimula.
Medyo malayo. Second degree, minion kasi. Okay, we're almost ready to start the second half. 49-47, Rain or Shine on top by 2. Of course, the question now, while surely Ginebra fans were enthralled by the performance of Mark in the first half, the big question now is can he sustain or how much can he add to that 24 points here in the second half?
The confidence is there para dito sa Mark Caguioa, but it all starts out with a turnover though. Ooh. But the thing that's going to be difficult para kay Mark Caguioa, Miko, is that Rain or Shine is going to send different guys at him.
But don't they already do that on a normal basis?
Pero nakakapagod lang because he's going to have to play 40 minutes of hard basketball. Kanina bumabantay sa kanya si Jared, and now he has a fresh Gabe Norwood to contend with.
And there's the tough foul given up by Chris Ellis kay Jonathan Uloan. And Jonathan is fine. And because of his solid play in the first quarter, he gets to start again here in the third.
Also, seemingly, if you look at that rotation of Coach Yeng dun sa first half, might not be able to. We might not see Chris Chu because Chris Chu just arrived a few days ago para dito sa kanyang team. So Did not play in the first half, so more than likely will not play in the second half as well, especially since we're seeing Uiloan to start here in the third quarter.
Ginebra down by 3. They have Tenorio, Meyerhofer, Lohorn, Ellis, and Kagiwa. Well, they've started this second half with 2 errors. Meantime, here's Norwood. Norwood had a quiet first half. Airball on that shot. Here's Uiloan, 15-footer. Even physics can't explain. Paano naging ganun yung tira ni Uiloan?
Well, you know, parang he was also looking at Jeff Chan in the corner of his eye. Nice pass.
A nice finish by Ellis.
This is yung nabanggit kanina ni Mark Kagiwa that, you know, their import's pretty good, but he does not really average a lot of assists. This is his second assist of the game. When you're a post guy, you are going to command a lot of eyes looking at you, and when eyes are looking at you, more often than not, it'll be difficult for them to adjust when people are cutting. That's what happened right there. You can see a nice pass in the part of their import Lohorn. We get 2 points.
We're all tied up at 50. In the early moments of the third. Belga. Handoff. Jeff Chan. Shot clock down to 10. Jeff kicks out. Here's Norwood for 3. Here's LA. Oh, Lohorn is ahead. That pass ends up to Mark Kagiwa.
The difference, the first 2 turnovers that they had, one was forcing a one-on-one, one was just a tough pass. But look at the 2 field goals that Ginebra's had, starting off with nice assist passes.
When we asked Mark at the half if he's going for 48 points, umuo ba siya o natawa lang siya?
Natawa lang siya.
Ano ba yung sabihin nun?
Natawa dahil ang lead daw ng target mo.
There's Mark. Lohorn. Oh, good luck game. Somehow Lohorn misses. Here's LA. Shot clock resets here for Ginebra. Mark Kagiwa to Meyerhofer. Touch pass. Lohorn and a hard foul by Bo Belga. Foul actually is against Jeff Chan, his third. So 2 free throws for Lohorn. Nice touch passing there by Ginebra.
As a rule, after that first play in which they forced a one-on-one, yung paspasahan ng Barangay Ginebra, pretty good in the last 4 trips down the court.
Cine Filipino Kwento, Ang Hari, mapapanood simula September 18 to 24. Lohorn with 13 points. Here's Jeff. Tough shot.
Good defense on the part of Ellis as well.
Last touch on Belga. Tenorio. That's a sweet spot you're talking about, although Lohorn misses.
But it starts out with very good misdirection from the side or from the top pick and roll of Ginebra. That's why he got good position.
Rebound LA. LA is on the move. Over the mark, 15-footer. That's good.
Sabi mo nga, beautiful music together. So far, LA Tenorio, I believe that's his 8th assist. And then Mark Kagiwa, 28.
Wala ba talaga tayo may isip na modern singing duo for LA and Mark?
Mamaya sa break, sasabihin ko sa'yo.
Meron ka na? Meron ka na. Hindi pwede siya.
Hindi pwede.
Tweet mo na lang. But indeed they are. I mean, partner. And of course, the music for Bo, when he plays against Ginebra, and most other teams, is
his name.
His name. The chorus of his name.
Only 2 points so far para kay Bo Belga.
Ginebra on top by 3, 8.5 remaining in the third period. Now Gabe really chasing Mark all over the floor. And rightly so. Mark is red hot. Shot clock down to 5. Mark will take a shot here. Firing away. Oh, he got it!
Kung ano yung malas ni Mark na huling laro, ay yun naman yung buenas niya ng shooting niya sa araw na to.
Meantime, that's your Arizona Reed. Every time he never gets a nice basket, he will counter with a conversion. But Mark Agiwa now with 30 points.
Right now, it is the threesome of Lohorn, Tenorio, and Kagiwa that's doing all the damage. LA ready with 9 assists. Lohorn, he's punched in 15 points. And of course, Kagiwa with his 30. What they need right now, tulong. Tulong mula dun sa ibaba.
Ay, mas madali pagtatlo sila. Mas madali pagtatluan. The Jonas Brothers. Ay, sorry. Jonas Brothers pala. Jonas Brothers. Hirap yung dalawa eh. Ang maisip eh. Here's Paul Lee. Posting up LA. That's really part of Paul Lee's game. Whoa! It's going to be a steal. Easy 2 for Paul Lee.
And LA is contending na tumama daw dun sa paa ni Paul Lee. That's why he lost the hand.
So dapat kick ball.
Here's when you can have success against Ginebra. You make sure it doesn't get into the hands of either Mark or LA. Make the other ones the playmakers. But again, eventually it does go to Lohorn.
Lohorn now with 17 points. Here's Norwood. Paul Lee, shot clock down to 10 as we near the halfway mark of the third.
Well, he wants his teammates to run right there.
Oh, Belga with a good defensive stop. It's the Lord. What defensive stop? Di ba foul yun? It's Jeff Chan for 3. Oh, Arizona Reed. You know what? Arizona Reed, he just works.
Yeah, yun nga yung ano sa kanya, no? He's gonna work hard, but you know, in a close game, that's when you hahanapin mo, ano kaya pwede kong bigay na galaw nito para sa sure 2 points.
Arizona Reed with 24 points tonight.
Good rebounds by Bo Belga on the offensive and defensive side.
Meantime, a duty foul by Mark Kagiwa. Couldn't possibly match up with the size of Arizona Reed. That will be the third personal against Mark and the fourth team foul against Ginebra. Ginebra up by 1. Back in a moment. Never before. Real-time updates straight from your phone with Pinoy Hoops. Be the ultimate Hoops fan and follow your favorite teams and players. Now available for Android in the Google Play Store and soon on iOS. Yes, my minions. Sige lang, come to daddy. No, but seriously,
Patangkadin mo naman yung mga bata.
Bawal ang matangkad sa... Ano ba nakita kami ni Noli Locsin?
Yes. Oh.
Sa Chiefs.
Oh, sa Chiefs.
Kagabi. Eh, sabi niya, Muslim baka nung pwede umasalit siya. Sabi ko, Chief. Alam ko, sinagot mo yung beer ko, pero Chief, automatic disqualification, the tank ka eh. The tank. Hindi ka pwede.
Pwede siya yung sasakyan na sinasakyan niya.
Pwede. Oo. Pero, medyo na-depress siya pagkatapos. Tapos pinabayad ako. Meantime, Mamaril with a drive and here's Arizona Reed with the basketball. Arizona Reed sets up Bo Belga.
Good setup on his part. Bo Belga has helped him a lot of times with an offensive rebound and assist earlier. This time, bawi naman si Arizona.
Arizona Reed really should not be a surprise. He's putting together quietly an excellent game.
Yeah, like you mentioned, already with the 25 points.
Yeah. Ellis. Basket is good.
But only 4 guys actually have a field goal para sa Barangay Ginebra. 4 of them are on the floor right now. Only guy there that hasn't had a field goal is Billy Mamaril. And the rest of the bench has yet to have a field goal.
No basket. No basket, says referee Zambrano. Foul is on Mark. And bad news. That's his fourth. Fourth personal for Mark. And we're still in the third period. Ronnie Matias checks in here for Jeff Chat. Shot clock down to 8. Belga, he'll take the 3. He has all day to shoot, didn't take it. Now he'll take it. Belga for 3. Yes, sir!
That's the thing, you know, their 3-point shots, the big men of Rain or Shine, it's something that they don't have to shoot until they're comfortable with it. That's what Bo did. Nag-antay siya. Di siya kumpiyansa dun sa bandang wing. Sa gitna, yun ang paborito niya.
Back to a 3-point lead for Rain or Shine and a swipe by Gabe. Gabe Norwood on the move, all the way!
Gotta be careful if you're Barangay Ginebra. Have had a lot of empty attempts or possessions here.
Wally really hounding LA. Now LA escapes. He fires the 3 from the corner. Billy Mamaril secures the offensive rebound. Shot clock continues to run. Lowhorn wants that ball. Shot clock down to 1, and Billy Mamaril gets it off the glass.
That's a good cut on the part of Billy Mamaril. Realizing walang bumabantay sa kanya. Good cut right there. Gets the basketball.
Well, they've been going at this matchup. Poly against LA. And here's Arizona Reed. Misses it. Kagiwa trying to get the rebound, and the ball was slapped away by Ronnie Matias. Now Mark with 4 fouls will step out. Here's our Kawasaki rousing fast break, brought to you by Rouser 135 by Kawasaki. Rouse the rider in you. Gabe Norwood's primary task tonight is to try and stop Mark Kagiwa. Rainer Shine better at the running game so far. That will be the second personal against Paul Lee. So with 2:57 remaining, both Belga and the Alasta Pinners are on top by 3. Okay, we scanned the Big Dome para mahanap yung ating mga napakaswerte na ulala mahal ng masa fans of the day. Wala sa masarap, malaman, mura at convenient kasi easy to open ulalam, ready to eat ulam para sa masa mahal ng masa. Ulalam, 15 pesos lang.
With the Ulalam girl.
Yes, Ulalam family.
Ilang ulalam kaya kakainin ni Kinyahan pag nagkataon? Isang pakete. Ilang pakete kaya, no?
Saka ilang kanin.
Ilang kanin.
Masarap talaga. Alright, back to the game. 2.5 to go in the third. And here's Aranya getting the handoff. Shot clock down to 10. Paul Lee goes inside, dances inside. Handoff, Reed.
Nice man. We've seen some quality passes on both ends from Barangay Ginebra as well as from Rain or Shine.
Third personal against Paul Lee has been pesky on defense.
You see right there, just able to get past his primary defender and realizing that the last defender had help and the willingness to pass the basketball.
Here's Reed. Inner Shine on the move. Arizona Reed all the way for 2.
With Mark Agiwa show on one end, but on the other end, para dito sa Rain or Shine, Arizona Reed, he is playing just as well as Mark Agiwa. He's on his way to 30 as well to match Mark Agiwa. He stays at 29, but then, you know, pag titignan mo, parang, sinabi mo, it's not allowed 29.
But it's a steady, consistent 29 points.
Plus very timely as well.
Yun eh. Every time, Ginebra gets a big basket, crowd erupts. Arizona Reed answers back, but there's a jumper from Chris Ellis, and Ellis now with 11 points off the bench.
He's actually playing one of his better games as well in this conference. He's been a nice third option, fourth option for the players on the floor para sa Barangay Ginebra.
Under 2 minutes remaining here in the third quarter, and Ginebra is down by 5 points. Nice spin by Reed. He's going to work. Check that. He has been going to work since the start of this game. 31 points for Arizona Reed.
This is a terrible matchup para kay Billy Mamaril. But the problem is, para sa Barangay Ginebra, sino ilalagay mo? Billy Mamaril right there. Arizona Reed's just too quick for him. When Arizona Reed uses his quickness, Billy Mamaril has no choice but to just talk to him after the shot.
Chika-chika na lang pag may time. No, because, it's a serious matchup problem because it's too big for most of Ginebra's big men and too fast for the same reason.
And it's din nararamdaman ng Barangay Ginebra yung pagkawala ni Japet because you have a guy that is about 6'9" and, has quickness.
Almost a turnover. Here's Barakel. One-hander, yes! Batted off the glass. And that will cut down Rainer Shine's lead to 6.
Finding some help para sa Barangay Ginebra in this quarter. Billy Mamaril got his first field goal. Mac Barakel got his first field goal as well.
Inyahan. And now Aranya. Aranya fires and scores! That's a 3!
Ryan Aranya, that's his 5th point. All seemed like he's been quiet, or after that first quarter, it's the only time that we've heard his name again.
Missed by Ellis, probably wanted to answer back. So with 18 seconds remaining in the third, Rainer Shine sitting on a comfortable 9-point advantage here. They can go for the last sentence of the third quarter. 6 seconds to shoot. Paul Lee, hesitation move, sets up Matias. And Matias tries to go to Aranya. Here's Barakel, he launches one. Goes straight to the people behind the goal. And at the end of the third, Rainer Shine with a solid third quarter. Lamang sila 79-70 over Ginebra. We'll be back with the payoff period after these.